Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video, I am about to share a simple trick that can completely change the way you learn English. Yes, you heard it right. It's something you might be ignoring, but trust me, it's the most important thing that you can do to improve your English. And the best part, it's easy and you can start doing it right now. So that's right, yeah. We are talking about listening. Listening is the key to success to learning English, and I'm going to show you how and why can we use to it level up our skill. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay, friends. So let's get into the topic. So okay. Let's start with a simple question. Do you feel stuck in your English learning? Maybe you have been trying for months, for years, but it feels like you are not making enough progress. I get it. It's frustrating. But here's the good news. Listening is the easiest way to improve our English. It helps you improve everything: your pronunciation, your vocabulary, your understanding, and even your confidence. Believe me, it's a wonderful trick. Have you ever tried to speak English and felt nervous because you don't know if you could understand and the person you were talking to? Okay, or maybe you are afraid of making mistakes because you don't know how to say certain words correctly. Well, guess what? Listening helps you with both of those problems. Believe me, the more you listen, the more you will understand and the less afraid you will be to speak. It's like practicing for real conversation without any pressure. Believe me. Now, the point is that how to do this. Think about it. How did you learn your first language? I mean to say native language. You didn't start with grammar books and writing exercise. You started by listening. Okay? You listen to your parents, your friends, TVs, and everything around you. Okay, then you observe, and over the time, without even realizing it, you learn how to speak. It's the same with English. Okay, so listening is the first step in learning English, any language. It's where everything starts. Okay, so how can you use listening to improve your English? This is the main point. Okay, so well, the first thing you need to do is make it a habit. I am not saying you have to listen for hours every day. Just 10 or 15 minutes is enough, but you have to do it every day. Okay, well, just like brushing your teeth, okay, eating your food, taking bath, okay, just like this. It's something you need to do regularly. If you want to see results, the more you listen, the faster you will be improved. Believe me. Now here's something important. You don't need to listen to boring things. Okay, in fact, it's better if you don't listen. It's better if you don't listen. So if you listen to something that you find interesting, you will stay motivated. Believe me, and actually enjoy the process. Do you like sports? Do you like any cooking channel? Do you like any cooking show? So just start to listen that thing in English. Okay, listen to English songs. The key is to find something you like, so listening doesn't feel like work. You feel like it's a fun, it's a enjoy part. When you are having fun, you would not even realize you are learning. Believe me. So let's talk about something that a lot of people worry about: accents. Okay, so English has so many different accents, like American, British, Australian, Indian, and even regional accents within each country. And sometimes it can feel really very confusing, but here's the trick: the more you listen, the easier it gets. Okay, for this you have to listen mixed accents. Your brain is amazing at adopting. At first you might not understand, I know you might not understand everything, but over the time your ear will get used to different accents and you will start understanding more and more, believe me. So here is a tip: don't just stick with one accent. Try listening to a mix of accents. Like first day listen to an American accent, okay? And second day listen to British podcast, and the next day watch a Australian. By doing this, you will train your ear and understand English no matter what accents. Okay, so it's like exercising different muscles, and soon you will find that you can understand anyone, anywhere. Okay, so now let's dive a little deeper into the benefit of listening. One of the biggest benefit advantage is that to help you learn real English. Okay, textbooks are great for learning grammar and rules, but don't always teach you how people actually speak. Okay, so when you listen to English, especially in a real life conversation, you learn the way people really talk. Okay, everything is not in English in book. You will hear common phrases like idioms and slang that native speakers use every day. This is the kind of English that you would not find in textbooks. Okay, so listening real conversation, it's very important. For example, have you ever heard about something that it's a piece of cake, and if you only read that phrase in a book, so you might think like, okay, it is about the dessert. But if you hear it in conversation, you will understand that it means something is easy. This is the kind of learning that only happens when you listen in English. Okay, so listening, it's give you a real life conversation, real life English. Listening also helps you understand tone and emotions in English. The way we say something is just as important as words we use. Okay, so I feel I am sharing my example. If someone says that's great, they could be excited or they could be sarcastic. It all depends on the tone. That's great. That's great. So it's all upon the tone. By listening to real conversation, you will start to pick up on those subtle differences. You will learn how to understand not just the words but the feelings behind them, behind words them. Okay, so another huge benefit of listening is that it helps you with confidence. When you understand more, you will feel more confident in speaking. Just like when you are preparing for an exam, if you know the material, you feel ready. If you don't feel okay, you feel nervous. So the same goes for learning. Okay, the more you listen, the more prepared you will feel to have conversation, and the less afraid you will be in making mistakes. Okay, so it's very important to listen more and more content, and remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Even native speakers also make mistakes. Let's talk about another common problem. But what if I don't understand everything? I don't understand everything when I listen. So this is a common problem. Here's the truth: you don't need to understand every single words to get the main idea of, okay, what someone is saying. Don't need to understand every single words. Okay, why? Because think about when you watch a movie in your own language, do you catch every word? Probably not, but you still understand the story. English is the same like your native language. Okay, so don't worry to understand every single word. Focus on the overall meaning, not each individual word. Your brain is really good it filling in the gap. Okay, and over the time you will start to understand more and more without even trying, believe me. Okay, so listening is going to help to improve your speaking skill. Here's another tip. If you are watching a TV show or a movie, or you are having trouble keeping up, use subtitle. This is not a cheating, it's actually a smart way to learn. Not a cheating, I generally do this. Okay, so turn on the English subtitle and watch how the word match up with what you hear over time. Okay, you will find that you need the subtitle less and less over the time. Use subtitle. Listening also help you to learn new vocabulary. When you are hear a new word in context, it's easier to remember, believe me. Okay, so let's say you are listening to a podcast and you hear a word procrastinate. Maybe you don't know what the means at first, but by the listening, you listening to how it's used, you can guess that it's mean to delay, to put something off. That is called learning from context, and it's one of the most powerful ways to learn new words. Listening. By listening, you will also learn how words fit together in sentence, which makes your English sound more natural. Okay, so and don't forget about the real life benefit of listening. If you plan to travel, work, or study in an English speaking country, strong listening skills are must, very important. Imagine you are in a meeting and your boss is giving important instructions, or maybe you are ordering food at a restaurant. Okay, so if you can't understand what people are saying, you will feel lost. But if you have trained your ear while listening to English regularly, you will be ready for anything. Okay, all right, so let's sum it all up. Listening to English is one of the best thing you can do it to improve your language skill. Helps you to learn pronunciation, vocabulary, and real life phrases. It boosts your confidence, makes speaking easier, helps you understand different accents. Okay, these are some benefit. Now, plus you can do it anywhere, while doing driving, while cooking, while exercising. The more you listen, the better you will get. Okay, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Here's your challenge. Start today. Make listening to English a part of your daily routine. Even just for 10 or 15 minutes a day can make a big difference, believe me. But you have to do it consistently. Find something you enjoy, whether it's a podcast, a TV show, music, and listen. You will be amazed at how much progress you make. You will be amazed, believe me. So there are some benefit that I have shared with you in front of you, listening benefit. So are you ready to take your English to next level? Start listening today and watch your skill grow. Keep listening, keep learning, and remember, every time you listen, you are getting one step closer to fluency. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.